What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about a simple strategy for beginners to make $100 per day or more trading on Bitunix. Now this is part 2 of 3 which I'm filming right now, and part 1 was previously posted on my channel. It's a full in-depth tutorial about Bitunix, so if you did want to go ahead and check that out, it will be linked down below, and of course you can go ahead and watch that first if you did want to watch the first part. In today's video it's really focused on a basic trading strategy that you can implement right now after watching this video for all the way through, that hopefully you can start going on to make trades and make profitable trades on Bitunix platform. Now, as you know, Bitunix is one of the best exchanges out there in my opinion, and I've moved pretty much all of my trades, apart from a couple of trades that I already have open on other exchanges. A lot of them are actually being moved over to Bitunix simply because of the ease of use, no KYC, and it's just got a good platform which has a lot of liquidity and a lot of trading pairs. So as I said, today's video, let's jump into the charts. So starting with $100 per day, it's definitely not as hard as it seems. If you're starting out in crypto, definitely it could seem a little bit intimidating to make $100 per day or $3,000 per month, but if you're starting with a reasonable amount of capital, then it's definitely achievable. Of course, if you're starting with only $50 or $100, it's going to be difficult to make $100 per day, because you're going to have to make 100% profit every single day when you're trading. And if somebody could go ahead and do that, well, they wouldn't really need to be trading, because they would have their own hedge fund and they would be making a lot of money. However, for the normal people like you and I, let's go ahead and get into a simple strategy on how to do this. So first of all, if you haven't got yourself an account on Bitunix, all you have to do is click the link down below. I will show it on screen as well, and all you have to do is go down below today's video right here, click right here and see the Bitunix section right there. Simply click on this and go ahead and put your email, your name, and create a password and an account. You're also going to get up to a 20% deposit bonus, and if you're watching this in the future, that could be more, or it could be a different bonus or a different incentive, but always I'll have the best possible bonus linked down below. Then once you've made your account, you're going to want to go ahead and deposit something. So simply go over here to the wallet right there, and you can go ahead here and click on spot account. Once you've clicked on spot account, it's super simple. You just need to go over here to deposit, click deposit, and then you're going to be able to go ahead and see which coin you want to deposit, whether it's USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another coin from this massive list, which literally goes on forever. Once you've got yourself an account, I'll go over and click on futures. Now, this video is going to be mostly about futures. I do have a full tutorial on the previous video about Bitunix for spot trading if you were interested in that. But basically, this is going to be a simple strategy using support and resistance and the MACD. Now, I've taught this strategy in the past. This is a slightly updated, better version of it. And as of right now, we are in a bull market, and it's going to be the best possible time to make use of these indicators, because indicators, in my opinion, they work best if we're very bullish or we're very bearish. If it's choppy and sideways action, usually the indicators aren't as reliable. However, now we are in a bull market. It may not seem like it when you're watching this, but the indicators work very, very well. So let's get into the charts right here. First of all, if you did want to go ahead and get the MACD on the chart, simply click this indicator right here and type MACD right here. If I can spell correctly, that would be nice. Simply click MACD right there. It will populate on the chart, and then basically you have the MACD on the chart. Now, we can do this one of two ways. The first way, we can do this on Bitunix on the integrated trading view chart. The second way, which I prefer, is actually over on trading view right here. So this is a much easier way to do it in my opinion, and it's the same thing. I've got a full trading view tutorial on my channel if you were interested in that. So once you're here on the chart, I've got Bitcoin USD open. You want to go up to indicators and again type MACD, and then moving average convergence divergence. Now put this onto the chart right here, and it may look a little bit confusing. However, I'm going to simplify it into the easiest possible way. So the basic premise of the MACD is there's three things. We have the blue line, the orange line, and the histogram right here. And the most basic principle is just simply when they cross, you either enter a trade or you exit a trade, or you either long or you short. And I'm going to tell you exactly how right now. For example, right here, we can see right here the orange line is crossing above the blue line. This would usually signal an indication that you want to short the market. So for example, right here, the blue line is crossing the orange line is crossing above the blue line, and then you would want to go ahead and enter a short right there, which is showing that the price will in fact decrease. Now, I've got a full tutorial on my channel, the previous video, exactly right here, how to go ahead and trade on Bitunix. So if you don't know how to trade, I would recommend watching that before going into this video because it may seem a little bit technical for you. Once again, how do I know when I want to exit the short? Well, simply you exit the short right here when there is a cross in the opposite direction. So when the blue crosses back over the orange, that's the entry, that's the exit, and your profit is in between. Exactly like that. So in this case, you would have entered the trade right about here at $65,000, a short trade, and you have exited around about here at about $60,500. So that is around 8% profit in the space of just a couple of days. Now, if you are using Bitunix, if you are using a little bit of leverage right here, for example, it's set to 51x here, which I would never recommend using. But if it's set to something like 10x, something reasonable, 10x is still risky if you're new. However, for me, it's a reasonable amount. Again, that 8% profit, which we just saw right here, would actually be 80% profit because you use 10x leverage. Of course, with leverage, there are much larger risks, and you should be a confident trader before using it. However, you can in fact make a lot more money trading with leverage with futures, and that's why it is so popular, and many traders like myself are using it because, for example, if you're starting with $1,000 to trade with, for example, this trade alone right here would have been over $800 profit in just one trade in a couple of days. So you can start to see how it is not so impossible to go ahead and make $100 per day trading. Now, let's take a look at some other examples right here. Let's take a look at Ethereum right here. So we have the Ethereum chart here, and I plotted a couple of examples of longs and shorts just for ease of use right now so I can explain them to you. Let's first of all take a look at this one. So the basic premise for this, as I said, is when the blue crosses above the orange, you want to enter a long position, and when it flips back, when the orange crosses above the blue, you want to exit your trade. Vice versa if you are in fact trading the other way around. So in this example right here, we can see the price is at a known level of support right here. We can even plot that on the chart right here. It's at a very well known level of support right here, and either it's going to break down below and completely break down, or we're going to see a flip in the chart, and we're going to see the price push towards the upside. So right here, if we isolate this exact instance, we can see that right here on the bottom, we see the histogram flips bullish right there. So we can see right there, the blue is flipping above the orange. The blue is crossing above the orange, and it looks bullish. We're at a known level of support as well, which is a great thing. So we're supported for the move towards the upside, and we can see right here, it does in fact push towards the upside, and the flip, it flips exactly right here. So you would have entered right here, and you would have entered right here and exited up there. That would have been around a 41% profit in the space of literally, we can see right here from November right there to November, that would have been around 5 to 6 days, a 41% profit. So this is a super simple indicator, guys. However, you can see how easy it is to make money trading with this indicator if you are following the simple steps and you're not being too emotional and you're just following what you see on the chart. In this indication, I would have used around a 1 to 2% stop loss, and if we would have got stopped out, that's fine. We just wait for the next opportunity. You don't have to make profit on every single trade. However, over the course of 5 trades or 10 trades, you should be profitable at least on 6 or 7 or potentially even more if you are a little bit lucky and you have a little bit more skill as well. Even the most professional traders lose money trading. I've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars trading, but I've made much more, probably millions trading. So overall, it works out perfectly fine. So in this case, we would have been profitable. Let's take a look at the next example. And this next example is in fact a short trade. So right here, we can see that the MACD right there has crossed. The orange has crossed above the blue, which means we want to enter a short position. And we can see right here, the price has continued to downtrend. And we would have exited right here. So we would have exited exactly about there. So this would have been a profit of around, if we see the exact exit point right here, around 13% in the space of 3 days. So again, 13%, if we're using leverage, 10x leverage, for example, that would have been 130%. If you're trading with $1,000, you would have made $1,300. If you're trading with $10,000, you could have made over $10,000 on this trade alone in the space of just a couple of days. So this is how many people are making a lot of money trading. And of course, guys, one of the best platforms out there, in my opinion, is Bitunix. I really hope that this tutorial has given you a basic insight on how you can use simple indicators like the MACD to go ahead and trade on a daily basis over on Bitunix. Now, Bitunix, you can still do this on Bitunix. You can still go ahead and type in MACD on here, and you can click it right there, and you can still do the exact same thing once again. For example, right here on the 4-hourly chart, we can see there was in fact a flip right there. We could have entered the trade and exited the trade around about here. There is literally always examples. And if you're trading on the 4-hour chart and you don't see an example, change the chart. Go to the daily chart, go to the hourly chart, go to the 30-minute chart. You can always change it up. In this example, we would have seen a profit of around 5.6% in the space of just around 3 days and 8 hours. Again, 5.6%, if you're applying a 10x leverage, that could have been around 56%. Trading with $1,000, that would have been $500 in the space of just a couple of days, which equates to way more than $100 per day. Of course, if you're trading with more, you can earn more, but also there is a risk there as well. So I really hope this video has in fact been helpful, guys. I really encourage you to go ahead and watch part 1, the simple Bitunix trading tutorial right here. This is part 2, and I will have a part 3, a more advanced trading tutorial, which will go over it a little bit in more depth. But overall, I really recommend joining Bitunix exchange. It's a great exchange. There's no KYC right now as of watching this, and probably there won't be for the next 6 to 12 months, in my opinion. So it's a great place wherever you are. If you're in the UK, America, Canada, Australia, wherever you're trading from, you can go ahead and make an account on Bitunix. They've got a great mobile app as well, so you can trade on the go. And overall, guys, the link is down below to join Bitunix if you did want to. Leave me some comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and most of all, I hope it brings value. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.